Updating your product images is a time-consuming task that can make you feel frustrated and overwhelmed since you have to open the products one by one to change the images. To help you with this, we'll show you how to do it easily using the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin helps you save a lot of time filtering your images in the Media Library using the related publication type field as a search parameter, displaying all the information in an intuitive spreadsheet. Also, you can quickly export your media files information to a CSV file in order to edit it with Excel or Google Sheets. Once you apply changes, you can import all the changes in seconds. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. Instead of losing a lot of time trying to find all the images by product attribute manually, let's do it with the search tool. In this field, select Products to search for product images only. Then enable the advanced filters. Select the Format field. The operator will be Contains. Now we will type image. And let's run the search to display all the product images in the spreadsheet. Filtering images has never been as easy and fast as it is now with the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.